Anybody that tells me I'm ugly, I'll tell the person your mother is ugly. Because I'm a fine girl, excuse you. What's up my beauties, and welcome back to another transformation hair and makeup video. I'm basically gonna be transforming my girl from a basic ratchet ass house girl to a badass lawyer, you know. But yeah, let's just get started. So I'm basically just starting off with the frontal, as you guys can see, and for this wig I'll be using 2 bundles because the hair is really thick and I didn't need 3 bundles basically. So yeah, this is the hair all done. I just turned it into a wig. If you guys are interested in me making a wig, let me know, comment down below. So yeah, this was my first bleaching process, and I went one more time and I bleached the top, which I wanted it to be light, and initially what I was going for was a pink hair, you know what I'm saying. I got this dye that I've never used before. I don't even know the name. I don't care to know the name. I basically do not recommend this dye to anybody, okay? So I went ahead, I used that dye. Looking at the color, you can see that that's a clear on pink, right? So yeah, my intention was to get like this like bright pink. I'll put a picture actually somewhere in the video of the color I was trying to go for. And you know, I was trying to color the roots darker pink and the top to be a light pink. That was just that simple, you know. It wasn't that hard, you know. If I had used Adore Me, I would have achieved what I wanted, you know. But I wanted to try something different, and look at where that got me. Nowhere. Well, I had to go buy more color and spend money, you know, basically. But yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys using that same color the process of how I did it. You know, I colored up all the roots first in a darker pink. I don't even know the name, and I don't care to know the name of the color that I used because I didn't end up using it. I ended up using the Fox dye and 1 iron color. I'll put the color that I actually used in the description bar, so you guys should check it out. The color that I ended up using. Yeah, so I colored the roots first, and then I went ahead and colored the rest of the hair with the lighter pink, which I was hoping for the best, and you know, the transformation, as you guys can see, like the color was applying properly. I coated it very well, like I normally do, you know. But yeah, you guys should just continue watching and see what happens. So yeah, I'm basically done coloring the hair. As you guys can see, that was the color I was going for. I was seeing like there were some spots that were not really taking, and I was like, and I still went back and I applied more color, and then I waited for a long time, and I already knew this color did not take because I could still see orange hue going on in there. I was like, what the hell, I might as well just wash it red. I mean, wasting my time and let it sit on for no reason, you know. The bottom color did change a little bit, but not too much. And yeah, this is what it turned out looking like, as I suspected. When it dried up, this was what it turned out. I was so upset because me having to color this hair now kind of diffused the brightness of the color of whatever color I was gonna put on top of it. So this was the color I ended up going back with using, and even still using this color, I decided to put like a hint of orange in the color, like Adore Me, because I just feel more comfortable with Adore Me because that's more pigmented. That color that I used was not pigmented at all. I put a little bit of Adore Me, you know, to make it more intense, and I did not show that process. So basically but this is my girl now. She's ready to go. I laid her the cap on the head using the usual Got2b spray and the black gel, and I'm gonna use the bold hold for the glue as per usual, and I'm gonna put about 2 layers. I used 2 layers on her while she was busy gossiping over the phone, yeah. But yeah, this was the color it turned out. For me, this kind of looked pink, but for some reason, as time went on, it turned out looking red. But nevertheless, the color came out really pretty. No patches of orange or whatsoever. You know, it came out a specific color, which it wasn't what I wanted, but it was still good. It was still great. It turned out red at the end of the day, but it's whatever. Maybe sometime later on in the future, I will be doing, for sure, I will be doing a fuchsia pink. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, you guys should stay tuned for that. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead. I laid the hair down to her head, and I'm just gonna cut out the lace as per usual and fix the hair right to her edges. So I'm just like applying the glue over to the areas that didn't have glue on them, just to make sure everything sits right and perfect. And we're done with the edges. I really didn't show much of that, but if you guys want me to show you how I laid the hair, let me know. So I go ahead and spray the hair with some water so I can get with the cotton. And for this hairstyle, I already knew from jump that I was doing a vertical cut, so one side shorter and the other side longer. I was dying for that look. But yeah, I just went ahead with the hair and, you know, just cut the hair because I wanted something different, you know. We're doing a transformation look here, so we can't be doing basic stuff. And just ignore me in the background, okay sis, please. Oh Lord Jesus, just ignore me. I'm trying to be more consistent these days, so you guys should stay tuned for sure. I don't want to promise anything, but just stay tuned. Please subscribe, because now I will be doing weekly videos for you guys. And also turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on my weekly videos. Like, I'm trying to push my YouTube videos these days, so I would really appreciate if you guys can encourage me by, you know, subscribing and commenting and liking and subscribing. And you know, let's go. So yes, we are done with the cut. As you guys can see, I was so happy. Like, no one even understand what I envisioned with this hair when I was doing the process of this hair. Oh, my friends are like, no, what are you doing? Don't cut the hair, don't color the hair. Like, no. I was like, just wait, let me finish, okay? Just let me finish. And yeah, so once the hair was still wet, it was nice, but once it dried up a little bit, it was nicer. You know what I'm saying? It was nicer. I loved it. But yeah, now we're gonna go ahead with the makeup now that we're done with the hair. I'm not gonna talk too much on the makeup because it was just basic makeup application, so I'm just gonna leave you guys to watch and enjoy me beating her face up, basically. So see you guys later. So we're done with the makeup, and yeah, I'm just gonna take out the hair that I laid the edges right. You can look at that girl, look at that sis. Yeah, so basically I'm just gonna leave my girl to end the video up for me. Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Coco Clean to the world. Nah, I feel like a freaking token like right now. Like I'm breaking the internet, giving them left, right, and center, snatching them all. Give it to them. Mortal Kombat, finishing here. I die. The girl with the sauce. Sexy, you know. Oh God, I feel so hot right now. Oh God. I'm so silly. You don't have to joke. Like, oh my God, it feels great. I'm just sexy, like. I need to go share. I need to go share. Don't smile. Do sexy, like, yes. I'm a bitch. I'm a stripper.
Well, I'm not a stripper. I just was